In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install PUBG PC Battlegrounds on Windows. So let's get started. So as you can see, this particular game is available on both Steam and Epic Games. So if you are already having Epic Games, you can simply search for PUBG Battlegrounds and you'll be getting this game. And even if you're having Steam, you can simply search for it and get PUBG Battlegrounds. So to download Steam, just search for Steam. We'll be getting the official link. Click on Install Steam. And here we will be having the option to install Steam. You can simply click it and install it. It's a straightforward process. If you want the step-by-step tutorial on that, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. And once you are done installing and creating an account in Steam, just go to Store and search for PUBG. We will be having this PUBG Battlegrounds. Click that, and here we need to enter the date of birth, and after entering it, just click on View Page. We'll be having the PUBG Battlegrounds game. If you scroll down, here we are having Play Game. Click this, and this will show you the drive where it's going to get installed. If you want to change it, click on Manage Storage and change it, and just select Install. This is the agreement. Read it through and click on Accept, and the download will be getting started. It is around 45 GB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, we will be getting the play option and also a desktop shortcut. So just click on Play. It will ask you to create a new username, and after that you can just start playing PUBG. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.